Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have QCY H2 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android phone. At first you have to go to settings, then you have to go to connect devices and click pair new device. Now you have to turn on our headphones. To do so you have to hold the multifunctional button, which is over here. Now our headphones are turned on, so we have to go into pair mode. To do so we have to just hold our button. And now we have to search for them in available devices. As you can see, our headphones are over here, so we have to tap on it. As you can see, pair with QCY H2, pair. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.